morning. Today we're in Ulverston on an estate called Birkrigg Park. We've done quite a few properties on this estate, and we were actually here yesterday, but I forgot my cameras so I couldn't film, and we did the property next door to the one we're doing today. So that's the property we did yesterday, and this is what we're doing today. We're actually only doing the front on this property. You can see it's quite heavily stained. The red up there, that's an algae, and a lot of staining down here. As I say, we did this yesterday and that's still drying out, but then we've just got all this to do. So quick video today, and this should take us about an hour to do. So I'll set up a camera so you can see how we can transform this. And finish this front of this property now, and it's still wet, but it's you can see it's quite an improvement. There was a big red stain up the front there, that's gone, and there's a few lichens. So like here, there's lichens, this and that just drop off now, and as it dries out. So that was yesterday, that's obviously dried a bit better, and as I say, that property there, we did that last year, and that's how they actually go. So anyway, so just a quick one today, and if you enjoyed it, please press the like button, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.